So in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to find the gradient and x and y intercepts of a straight line. Okay, so here I've got two straight lines, two equations in two different forms. Now the first form, where the key part of this form is you've got x multiplied by a number and you've got a constant term, and it's just y, not a coefficient of y equal to that. So now you'd start by reading off the gradient and the y-intercept from this. So here the gradient is the coefficient of x, that's just 2. So a gradient equals 2. And the y-intercept is a constant term, in this case -3. So y-int equals -3. Now the way you find the x-intercept is by setting y equals 0 and solving the resulting equation. So that gives just 2x minus 3 equals 0, so 2x minus 3 equals 0. 2x equals 3, x equals 3 over 2. So x int equals 3 over 2. Okay, so that's part A done. Now for part B. To get the gradient, we're going to have to rearrange it to the same form as in part A. So you may be able to see that this is just y equals 5 minus 3x. So the gradient is minus 3, the coefficient of x. Gradient so now, moving on to the x and the y-intercept, I'm going to leave it in this form, rather than just doing it the same way I did the last one. Of course, you can do it that way, by just rearranging and then following the same method, but I'd just like to show you there's another way of doing it. So, for the y-intercept, we're going to set x equals 0 and then solve. So that gives 3 times 0 is 0. So y minus 5 equals 0. Y equals 5. So the y-intercept is just 5. And for the x-intercept, we set y equals 0 and see what happens. And that gives 3x minus 5 equals 0. 3x 5 equals 0. 3x equals 5. X equals 5 over 3. So the x-intercept equals 5 over 3. So that was how to find the gradient, x-intercept and y-intercept of a straight line. Thank you.